Hi, I'm Carly. In this video, we will explore together the detailed procedure for the configuration of a proportional pressure regulator within the Siemens TIA portal development environment. I will guide you step by step through the process in a simple and clear way. Stay with me to discover everything there is to know about this topic. Let's see how to configure an EB80 proportional pressure regulator within the Siemens TIA portal development environment. In the first video, we saw how to import a GSDML file and set all the valve parameters. In this case, we double-click on our device with the left mouse button. The hardware configuration dedicated to EB80 will open. Through the hardware catalog on the right, we select Module, a pneumatic module and EB80 pressure regulator. And we drag it into our hardware configuration. The system automatically assigns 3 input bytes and 2 output bytes. The first 2 input bytes must be interpreted as a single word, within which there is a value ranging from 0 to 10,000 points. This value directly represents a pressure from 0 to 10,000 millibars, that is, from 0 to 10 bar, so it is already an engineered value. The same principle applies to the outputs as well. The 2 bytes are interpreted as a single word that represents the set pressure value, expressed in a range from 0 to 10,000 points, equivalent to 10,000 millibars. The third input byte, instead, is the byte used to query the pressure switch, corresponding to the set reference threshold. By selecting our device with the right mouse button and accessing Properties, it will be possible to click on Module Parameters to view the default parameters. In this section, it is possible to modify the module parameters according to one's needs. It is possible, for example, to configure the deadband range, set the full scale, and decide the function of the third input byte, choosing whether to use it as a pressure switch or as a set point reference. Moreover, it is possible to set the behavior in case of loss of communication, fail-safe output, similarly to what happens for the valves. You can choose whether to maintain the last active state or set a predefined default value, manually selecting the desired value to apply in case of PROFINET communication loss. After selecting the module parameters, we only need to click on PLC, right-click, and compile the hardware configuration. At the end of the compilation, return to the PLC, right-click, and download the new hardware configuration into the PLC. Let's return to the network view and to verify that the configuration has been correctly downloaded into the device. We click on Go Online. As we can see, the hardware configuration is completely green, so the download was carried out correctly. By double-clicking on the device, it is possible to view and monitor the memory areas associated with it to verify the correct data exchange and the functioning of the application. Great job! I hope this guide has been useful and clear for you. Thank you for watching this video with me.